everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for logistic and transportation business. So as a logistic and transportation business owner, I receive a lot of queries from my customer. So to automate client communication, provide real-time updates and manage bookings, I am going to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot that will handle my customer queries in my absence and provide details to them on the basis of the data which I have provided to it. So firstly in this video we are going to build an AI agent. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for logistic and transportation business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So as a leading logistic brand, we provide tailored solutions across domestic and cross-border logistics, and we receive a lot of queries from my customer. So I am going to design a chatbot which will answer my customer queries and provide details of my business to the customers. So according to my business details, my chatbot is going to respond, and I am going to do this with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI. And I have simply created this AI agent and I have provided my details in the form of knowledge base to my AI. So in this knowledge base, you can see I have provided the details in the form of documents. So now whenever I will receive the queries from my customer, my bot is going to respond according to the details I have provided in this document. And this is the document where I have filled my business details. So now let's enroll to my WhatsApp and see how our AI agent is working. Here you can see I have opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Here let's type a message, I need help. Here you can see as I have provided the message, that is, hey, I need help, I have already got the message from my AI agent. Now let's send another message and see whether my AI agent is responding according to my details or not. So I am going to enter a message regarding the services offered from my AI agent. Here you can see as I have provided the message, that is, what services you offer. Here I have got this message regarding the services from my AI agent. Now let's check whether is this the detail I have provided to my knowledge base. So here you can see my AI agent is providing the same detail which I have filled over this document. So you can also create a WhatsApp chatbot like this by using AI agent for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing automation and integration platform. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Here as I have clicked on sign in, I have got this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the services provided by Pabbly. And as we are creating the WhatsApp chatbot, we just have to click on access now on this Pabbly Chatflow app. Here you can see as I have clicked on access now, I have got this dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, and here you can see we are getting the option for add WhatsApp number. So if you want to add WhatsApp number, you can choose either of the way, that is WhatsApp Connect and manual token connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can just click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can click on manual token connect. And on the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, such as inbox, contact, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows. So for creating a chatbot, we use flows. Now we are getting the AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help. Now if you want to know more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now for creating the AI assistant, we just have to click on AI assistant over here. So here you can see I have got this page, and here you can see these are the AI assistant I have already created, and you can also see the number of total AI assistants, total active and inactive AI assistants. And now I am going to show you how to create AI assistant from scratch. So for that, you just have to click on add AI assistant, and here it is asking you to enter the assistant name. So now let's provide name to our assistant here. Here you can see I am providing it the name Rapid Route Logistics. Now I am going to just click on add AI assistant for adding my AI assistant, and here you can see my AI assistant somewhere looks like this. And here you can see in this AI instructions, it is asking me to select the instruction type. So now let's select the instruction type as AI agent over here, as we are going to create the AI agent. You can also select custom prompt, but as I am going to create AI agent, I will just select AI agent over here, and you can also select other agents such as customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor based on your needs, but I am going to just click on AI agent over here. And here you can see these are the instructions I have got. You can also provide your own instructions by adding your own instructions here. Moving on further, you can see we are getting the AI configuration, and here it is asking me to select the temperature. So you might be thinking, what are temperatures? So temperature basically tells us about the creativity of the AI's answer. Now if you move towards the 0, the AI assistant will be more focused, but if you move towards 1, our AI assistant will be more creative. So I am going to set the temperature over here as 0.5. Now further, it is asking me to select AI to use. So I am going to select the AI as OpenAI here, and now it is asking me to select the model. Now I am going to select the model as GPT-4o mini. Now further it is asking me to enter the API token. So for getting the API token, you just have to follow this help text. Here it is saying to visit your OpenAI API keys pages to get the API key that you need to enter here. For that you just have to click on this OpenAI API keys page. So now we have got this page, and here we are getting the option for create new secret key. So just click on create new secret key, and here you can create your own key by providing the name and the project. Now let's move on to our AI assistant, and as I have already an API token, I will just paste it over here. Here I have pasted my API token, and now I am going to simply just click on connect, and this connect button says OpenAI key saved successfully. Now further we are getting some of the AI assistant settings. If you want to provide header and footer message, you can provide like this. You can enter the header and footer message over here by enabling this, and if you want to provide the stop keyword, then you can also enter some stop keywords over here. If you want to provide the retry attempt, you can also enter this. So here we are specifying the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the range for this retry attempts would be from 1 to 10, but I am going to just disable this retry attempt over here. Here you can see we are getting the option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So here I am going to provide the same fallback message which is written over here. Now let's move on to our knowledge source over here. Here in this knowledge source, it is asking me to upload a file. So I am going to upload my knowledge base, which is basically the document where I have filled the detail of my business. So you have to remember one point, that the format of the file should be .txt. So for that you just have to fill your data over the Google Docs, and simply you just have to go to files, and here you can see we are getting the option for download, and here in this download section you just have to click over the plain text.txt, and you will get your .txt file. And now I am going to upload my file over here. Here you can see I am having this file that is about rapid logistics. Now I am going to select this file and paste over here. Here as I have uploaded the file, I have got this message that is file uploaded and processed successfully. Now here you can see we have got this name and the vector ID as we have uploaded the file. Now let's move on to our AI assistant interface. So I am going to configure this AI assistant interface. Here it is asking me to enter the heading name. So now you can provide the name of your brand over here. So I am going to enter the name of my brand as the header. Here you can see I have entered this name, that is Rapid Route Logistic, and here you can see I have got this brand name in my chatbot. And now it is asking me to enter the subheading name. Here you can see we are getting the subheading name as we are online and happy to assist you. And here you can see we have got this message over here in the header of our chatbot. Now moving on further, it is asking me to select the initial message. So you can also provide initial message to your AI assistant. So here we are having one initial message, that is, hi there, how can I help you today? And here you can add one more initial message such as hello over here. So I am going to type a message hello, and here you can see we have got this another initial message that is hello, but I am going to add only one initial message over here. If you want to display the label of the Pabbly, you can enable it, but if you don't want to display the Pabbly label, you can just click on disable here, and here you can see the label has disappeared, but I am going to just enable it, and here you can see we have got this label over here. Now you can also provide the footer text over here. The footer text we are getting here is privacy policy. If you want to add any other footer text, you can also add it over here. And here it is asking me to enter the footer links. So if you want to provide, you can enter the footer link over here. Now here it is asking me to enter the user's first message. So user's first message is basically the message which will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from user. And here you can see I have entered hey I need help as my user's first message. Now let's move on and check the styling of our chatbot. Now here it is asking me to select the theme mode. So here it is selected as light mode, but you can also select it as dark mode. And here theme mode of our chatbot is converted to dark, but I am going to just keep it as light. And now you can also change the shape of your assistant, and here you can manage the coloring of your assistant. And if you want to provide the header profile picture or the assistant profile picture, you can also add it over here. And if you want to add background picture, then you can also add it also. So here you can manage the styling of your AI assistant. So I am going to just enable this button to make my AI assistant active. And now I am going to just click on save AI assistant over here. As I have clicked on save AI assistant, I have got this message that is AI assistant saved successfully. Now if you want to add AI assistant to your business, you can just click on embed here, and here you will get this script code. You just have to paste this script code over your business, and by this AI assistant will be embedded to your business. So here you can see we have created our AI assistant. Now let's move on to our WhatsApp and check whether our AI assistant is working or not. Now here you can see as I have provided the message in my WhatsApp that is hey I need help, I have got this message from my AI assistant. Now I am going to ask one more question from my AI assistant and check whether my AI assistant is responding or not. Here I am going to enter a question asking for the shipping details. Now here you can see as I have provided the shipping details as the question, I have got this message from my AI assistant. So here you can see our AI assistant is working properly. So you can also create an AI agent chatbot for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. below. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.